In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Bluehost. This can be a great way to give your website a more personalized and unique look, or to ensure that the font aligns with your brand's style. Let's dive right into the process, which is both simple and rewarding. First, you'll want to start from your dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your website's control center, where you can access all the tools and settings necessary to manage your site. Once you're there, locate the Appearance section. This is your go-to place for anything related to the visual aspects of your website. Once you've found Appearance, click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Customize. This will take you to the WordPress Customizer, a handy tool that allows you to make real-time changes to your site's appearance and see them before publishing. While you're in the Customizer, look for the Typography or Fonts option. This section is specifically dedicated to text-related adjustments, allowing you to change fonts, sizes, and other text attributes. Selecting this will lead you to a variety of font options that you can experiment with. Here, it's time to get creative. You have the choice to change the fonts for different elements of your site, such as the title, headings, and body text. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining consistency across your website or when you want to highlight specific parts. As you're picking fonts, you'll be able to do so live with a preview. This means you can see the changes happen in real time on your site, so there's no guesswork involved. You can make sure the fonts you choose look just right before you commit to them. Additionally, if you're using WordPress version 6.5 or above, you have access to an even more powerful tool, the Font Library. This feature simplifies font management across your entire site. With the Font Library, you can browse a wide array of fonts all from one place, making it easy and efficient to decide on the perfect typeface for your website. The library also helps in ensuring consistency and ease of access, ensuring that you don't have to dig through multiple menus or settings to make and apply your choices. And there you have it. By simply using these built-in tools, you can transform the look of your website's typography to match your vision. Take a moment to experiment and find what works best for you. A simple change in typography can dramatically enhance your site's aesthetic appeal and readability. Remember, the right font can do wonders in terms of communicating your site's message effectively. So, have fun tailoring your site to perfection. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing!